Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 S-line 40 TDI Quattro in the S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning monsoon grey metallic paintwork and looks super stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 187 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds and onto a top speed of 136 mph. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners we have these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey metallic paintwork and working nicely with the S-line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 550 litres boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and for those larger and bulkier items, you fold the seats down to get 1,550 litres. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and for comfort we have the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather S-line multifunction steering wheel with the cockpit behind, as well as the central screen and the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The LCD screen in between the two dials can be changed using the multifunction steering wheel, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway mpg. The central screen is controlled using the toggle and switches on the centre console, giving you access to navigation or Bluetooth connectivity, as well as DAB and FM radio stations. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the park assist button, which brings up the front and rear parking sensors to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.